The United States is working on the world's largest military transport aircraft, a giant capable of carrying 6 CH-47 Chinooks or 4 F-35 fighter jets without taking them apart. American company Radia has revealed its ambitious project, the WindRunner, a massive 109-meter-long aircraft with an interior cargo volume of more than 6,800 cubic meters, 7 times larger than the C-5 Galaxy and nearly 12 times larger than the C-17 Globemaster III. Unlike traditional heavy-lift planes that focus on payload weight, the WindRunner is built for sheer volume. It can transport oversized equipment, helicopters, aircraft fuselages, missile components, or even full rocket stages, in one piece, saving critical time and reducing risk during wartime logistics. Its cargo bay stretches 106 meters, giving it a unique edge over existing transporters. With a payload capacity of 72.5 tons, a range of about 2,000 km, and a cruising speed of 740 km per hour, the WindRunner isn't designed to replace the C-5 or Ukraine's An-124. Instead, it fills a new niche, delivering extremely bulky equipment that current aircraft simply cannot handle. Even more impressive, it can take off from short, semi-prepared runways just 1,800 meters long, making it ideal for remote or damaged airfields. Radia plans to use existing certified technologies to speed up development, with the first deliveries expected around 2030. Backed by cooperation with the Pentagon and NATO, the WindRunner could transform modern military logistics, giving Western forces the ability to rapidly move entire weapon systems and infrastructure across the globe. The WindRunner isn't just another transport plane, it's a game changer for military strategy, designed to move the impossible.